Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Teamgate to RingCentral for call logging and CRM step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have access to both your Teamgate and RingCentral accounts. Log in to your Teamgate account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section of Teamgate. Look for the Integrations or Apps tab within the Settings menu. In the Integrations section, find RingCentral among the available options. Click on the RingCentral integration option to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to authorize the connection between Teamgate and RingCentral. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in to your RingCentral account. Grant the necessary permissions for Teamgate to access your call logs. Once the authorization is complete, return to the Teamgate settings. You should now see a confirmation indicating that Teamgate is connected to RingCentral. Go to the call logging settings within the Teamgate interface. Enable the call logging feature to start recording calls automatically. You can choose how you want call logs to appear in your CRM. Determine if you want to log all calls or just specific ones based on your preferences. Save your settings to activate the call logging feature. To test the integration, make a call using your RingCentral account. After the call, check Teamgate to ensure the call has been logged correctly. If the call appears in Teamgate, you have successfully integrated RingCentral for call logging. If not, revisit the integration settings and ensure all permissions are properly set. For any issues, consult the Teamgate Help Center or RingCentral support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.